Hey guys, hope you all are well. So in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a new controller file and how to render the data on a web page using Smarty template. So before starting this tutorial, I'm just reminding you, if anyone who still haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, then just click on a subscribe button. Also click on a bell icon so you will get all the notification and updates about my channel. So let's start the today's tutorial. So I have just opened the SAM control panel and I have started the Apache and MySQL services, and I have run the Prestashop project on a local server. So this is our project. So in today's session, we are going to learn about how to create a new controller file or how to create a new page and how to render the data on that page using Smarty template. So I'm just opening the Prestashop project on a editor. So we'll create one controller file. Also, we need to create one template file, and we need to create one route for to render the data on a web page. So we'll start the coding. First, we need to create a controller. So in a controllers directory, you will see two different folder like admin and front. So admin directory contains all the controller files related to the back office or admin side, and front controller directory will contains all the controller files related to the front office. So we are creating one front controller. So we'll create one controller in that front directory. So just right click on that front, click on a new, and we'll create one file that is test page controller. Extension is .php, so test page controller. So all the letters of the first word letter will be capital. So we need to follow that rule. So that is test page controller. Just I'm entering that, and I'm copying the code from the another controller file. So I'm just copying this code and just paste it in our file. So I'm just editing or updating some content here. So from the start, you will see the controller name, file name. So we'll update that controller file name, that is our test page controller. So here I am updating. Then we need to create the route or the route name or the URL name that we need to run that file. So here I'm giving one name, that is again test page. This is actually the route name. So this is test page. Then after that, we need to create one template file and we need to set the part of the template file. So here I'm giving the template name as test page again. Then after that, here you will see the breadcrumbs. So as you have seen on another websites, like there is a breadcrumbs is there. So breadcrumbs contains title and the URL. So we need to set the titles and URL also. If you do not want to set the breadcrumbs or write the breadcrumbs, that will be okay. I'm just updating this name, that is contact us. This will become test page. After that, here is controller name. So our controller name is again test page. After that, we need to create one template file. So we are giving that template file name is test page. So we'll create one template file. So we need to create that template file in a templates folder. So the path is, here you will see themes. So this themes directory contains classic content templates. So in that template folder, we need to create that template file. So I'm just creating a new file, that is test page dot extension is TPL. So the template Smarty template file extension is .tpl. So we need to create the test page .tpl. So I'm just entering. Then we need to create or write the code for the template file. So as like this, I'm just copying the header of the file. So here all the template files extends the page.tpl. So page.tpl is the main template, so which render all the sub templates. So this is the main template file. So we need to write that extend file path. After that, we need to give some page title. So here I'm giving test page. After that, we need to write the code for our template. So here I'm writing block name as page content. We need to close that block. I'm just giving a single quote. In that block of a code, we need to write some code. So I'm just creating one section. So we'll give the section name as test section. Sorry, it will be underscore. Then we need to close that section. Under that section, we need to write one heading. So this is test from test page controller. Sorry. So this is the section. So here is our page template file that we have extended. After that, there is a page title is there, and the page content be like we are creating one section. Under that section, we are writing some heading. So we need to create one route for that controller. So for writing the route, there is one dispatcher file. So dispatcher file actually contains all the route of the controller. So creating one route for that file. So I'm just writing the rule for that. So here is the test page underscore rule. That we need to create one array. So under that we need to define a controller name. So that is controller root test hyphen page. Sorry, it's test page. Then we need to write rule. Rule is test page. Then we need to write keywords. It will become array. Sorry, here comma is missing. So I will show you. So here is our test page controller. We are giving the route name as a test page. So sorry, rule name. So that we need to specify here test page, and our controller is test page. Okay, and our template name is again test hyphen page that we have created. This is the template file, and this is the controller test page controller. Then here is the controller that we are specifying. So our code is done. One thing we need to do, that is we need to clear the cache file. So here you will see in a var directory, you will see one cache file folder. Cache contains, there is a class index.php. So actually that class index.php files contains all the cache code. So we need to clear that file or delete that file. So I'm just deleting that class index.php file. It says something, you need to click on a do refactor. Yes, it's deleted. So we are running our controller files. So I'm just typing the URL or rule name of our file, that is test page, test hyphen page. We'll check it's running or not. So here you will see our data is rendered from our controller file, or I will show you that we have written in our template file, that is test page is the heading and test from the test page controller. So here you will see the page title and the data. So as like this, you can create one form, you design the page as per your requirement. So as like this, you will render the data using the Smarty template. So the code is simple, you will easily understand this code. Also the rendering or creating a route is also very easy. So just you need to create one rule. So in that rule you need to specify the controller name, your rule name, and the keywords. Keywords is empty array. So you just need to specify the controller and rule name. So this is for the today's session. So if you have any query, doubts regarding this controller or any other related to the front office and back office, so you just ping me in a comment box. So we'll see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye, take care, happy coding.